to prove the evolution is occurred in nature, embryological evidences are one of the important evidences that support the evolution, so that everyone is accepted only because of these embryological evidences. So, to prove it, among the embryological evidences, the Ernst Haeckel coined a phrase which is famous in evolution, that is ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny, or ontogeny repeats phylogeny. It is an important phrase to prove the evolution. So, what does it mean? What is ontogeny? Ontogeny is nothing but the stages in the embryonic development of an organism. It is the ontogeny. Phylogeny means it is the intermediate forms of the ancestors, or the forming of a new species from the ancestor species. What are all the intermediate stages? Everything is included in the phylogeny, or we can say that it is the history of a organism. So, in an development, in an embryonic development, there are so many evidences to prove that the organism is evolved from their ancestors. So, for example, the egg is there, gills are there. So, for any organism, if you take the development of the fish, or the development of the frog, development of a reptile, or development of even a man, there is a stage where you can find the gills in the embryo. So, that shows that these organisms are developed from the ancestors which possess the gills. So, if you study the ontogeny, that is the stages, the embryonic stages of an organism, you can identify the phylogeny, from where it comes, from what would have been the ancestors. So, that we can identify by seeing this ontogeny. So, this word ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny is very, very important. So, the correct answer is ontogeny repeats phylogeny. So, once if you see this, what are all the different stages, or what are the different groups it crosses to form the final product can be, for that this is very much helpful.